All right, now the next couple questions, we're going to be actually writing out the math. Even if you're not too happy about that or you're not sure, you feel like you're not getting these ones right, the whole, huge majority of the test, you can know that you're getting them right just from using the calculator and doing that graphing stuff. So as long as you've done really well in the first 20, it takes a little bit of the pressure off for these as well, but this is exactly how to do them. So for 21, I've got 5x squared equals 50. I want to know, well, what is x? All right, so I need to get this x by itself. What's happening to that x? It's being multiplied by 5. Well, that's easy. I'll just divide by 5. So I get x squared equals 10. Okay, x is still not by itself. It's being squared. What's the opposite of squaring? Well, I take the square root. So square root of x squared is just x. And then I have the square root of 10. Now, what you need to know is that whenever you're taking the square root, you can have a positive and a negative answer. All right, so for this one, you're actually doing positive square root 10 and negative square root 10. Why is that? Well, let's look at an example. Let's say square root of 16. That's asking me what times itself twice gives me 16. Well, 4 times 4 gives me 16. But you know what? So does negative 4 times negative 4. That also gives me a positive 16. So the square root of 16 has two answers, negative 4 and positive 4. Same thing here, square root of 10, you have a plus and minus in for your answers. All right, so 21 on the test, same exact questions, just going to have some different numbers there, but your steps are the same. Divide by this number, then take the square root, and you just need to remember you need a positive and a negative.